Greetings from Right Group. This is a commercial space situated near Ruby Hospital on Eastern Metropolitan Bypass, Kolkata. This is the entrance to the office. This is the reception area. Beside it is the waiting area and also an enclosure for waiting with a very nice outside view. Greenery all around. This is a 2,300 square feet office space at Ruby More on Eastern Metropolitan Bypass, Kolkata. Semi-furnished office space out for rental purpose. This is the conference room, semi-furnished with air conditioners and interior designing already in place. Outside greenery. Coming out of the conference room, we go into the washroom and the workstation area. Washroom area. There are two washrooms at this office. Opposite to it is the pantry area. This is an workstation area. Lightly furnished. Through the corridor, we move on to an enclosure where we have some workstations. These are the workstations, including filing cabinets, air conditioner in place, and also a cubicle with glass partition. Moving outside with the conference room in view, going through another corridor, moving ahead, we have one big space where workstations can be placed, nicely decorated with interior designing already in place. This is one cabin, again with plenty of natural sunlight. Beside this cabin is another cabin, nice and wide cabin with big windows and air conditioner. Outside the cabins is a big space for workstations to be placed. Through the workstation, we move on to another enclosure. Moving on to the enclosures, we have another cabin space with air conditioner and interior designing in place. And through the cabin, we move on to another cabin area, again with interior designing, furnishings, and air conditioners in place. For this property, you can get in touch with Right Group at 98300 42930. 98300 42930. For this property, please get in touch with Right Group at 98300 42930.